the big rumble back again with another mukbang, you feel me? I see y'all been digging the last mukbang. So shit, you feel me? I'm gonna do another one for y'all. You know I got a little McDonald's on y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm gonna show y'all what I got first. I ain't even start eating. Feel me? I got the little medium fry. There's still a little worm. You know what I mean? I got this shit right there. Cheeseburger. I told him to put the my cheeseburger. Got that spicy chicken son. Ooh. If I ain't had that spicy chicken son, oh, let me see. Let's see how they make it. Oh. I'm gonna hold off on. Hold on, you coming back. I'm ready to bust it down. All right, you get on. Let me see what I'm saying. She got that barbecue on. Yeah, that 6 piece on. Hold on. They ain't gave me all my stuff, cuz. They ain't gave me all. Hold on. Hey, yo, I guess we just gonna have to do the mukbang with this. I'm about to go back up there in a minute after I finish this right here. But look, though. Damn, man, I need to mess my mukbang up. Man. Hey, but look. The cheeseburger. Man, and the barbecue. Man, they done mess my mukbang up, man. I'ma still do it, though, y'all. I ain't gonna cap, man. Man, I'm missing a whole nother 6 piece. I'm missing a whole nother burger. What else I got? What I got? Shoot, y'all, to be real, I think I just missing the 6 piece. I ain't even gonna cap. I probably ain't gonna stress over it. I ain't even gonna eat that. I mean, the little burger good, you know what I mean? So I probably ain't about to go back up there. Forget that burger. Another spicy chicken. That spicy sandwich. Oh my God. Y'all look, I know y'all want to see me eat home. Y'all see the little drip on the table. Watch that. Ooh. That salt. Hold on. Don't get too full, homie. You know. Yo. I got all this food. And I ain't bought me nothing to drink. Hold on, let me give you something. Hold on. Got this. Try the 6 piece on them. Number a little 6 piece, you feel me? Try to get something I'm gonna eat all of, you feel me? You know, I don't waste no money, I ain't got time for all that. Gotta dip in that barbecue, hold on. Dip in that barbecue. Get on. Okay. I'm not going back to my 6 piece, I count. I want that. I'm taking it good. Oh Lord, the barbecue. I gotta turn that table off. Let me sit down. Sit down. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I get too full. Hamburger. Oh, okay. This the one right there, y'all. Just that Mac double. But add that Mac sauce. That Mac sauce about to make it hit different. I'm telling you. Watch that. No, not. Nah, but watch that. It even hit different. Watch that. Oh, y'all. Damn. I forgot to say to subscribe. Man, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. Man, y'all subscribe, man. Damn. Now I gotta get a little bit of fire and dip them in that barbecue. You know what I mean? Little thing on. We gotta go back to that sandwich. We ain't gonna let it run. We ain't gonna let it run now. Come on. Juicy. All that. That's a little booty. You feel me? Ooh, the long fries, man. No, man, but y'all like, man, y'all comment on this next third. Y'all let me know if I need to do another mukbang, man. Cause be real, I'm hungry. Just a little. Okay, look. So, I got a comment, let me know what y'all want me to eat next, what y'all want me to post next, what y'all want me to do next. Somebody let me tell them what to do next or something, man. Cause y'all just eating. It'll get me fat, cause I ain't Hey, I might keep eating. I kind of think in the video getting a little too long. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and y'all better subscribe. I'm gonna say that shit at the beginning. Alright, boost.